Would you take me to your house and show me your favorite 5 fashion pieces?
Oh shit! AJ!
Yes!
Oh my god! Oh wow! Duh, let's go.
My outfit?
Yeah.
We got on the Thrifty jacket.
I was gonna say this has to be vintage.
Yes, vintage. Uniqlo under.
That's Uniqlo?
Yep.
Okay.
And then we got Ron David on the pants.
Oh.
How did you get on the circle?
I was working like freelance and I was working like nonstop because it was during COVID. And my sister and brother-in-law sent me this application to like sign up for this reality show that they are obsessed with. And I was like, I've never heard of that. And they're like, no, you should definitely do it. And I was like, okay, whatever. So I kind of just sent in an application online. Like they had like the online application. And I was like, whatever, I'm not doing this. Like they're like, number one thing was like, oh, we might not even ever get back to you. I was like, okay, so it's like one shot in a million. So I just wrote the most psychotic application possible and I just sent it in. Someone texted me and they're like, hey, we just got your application. You psycho. Just kidding. But they were like, wow, like we would love to talk with you some more. And then it was like a couple month like process where they just kept on interviewing me.
No, you was excited as shit. You like, what? We on a reality TV, it's over.
I was scared because I was like, you don't know if you'll get on until you're like last minute. Like you don't know until you know what I mean? Oh wait, but AJ, you're gonna have to take off your shoes.
Of course, for you, why not?
Thank you. POC household, you know the rules.
Oh, of
Thank
course.
you. Okay, well, welcome to my humble abode closet tour.
Yuling, what's your fashion take?
Open the schools, put the sewing lessons in there, because I think everybody has to know how to like patch like a hole, hem a pant. It's just like a good skill to have. I think that's like a bare minimum skill that everyone should be able to do.
I could just go to a tailor to do that. Like, why should I learn how to sew?
I think supporting tailors is awesome. I am a frequent tailor visitor. I think it's just one of those things, like, you know, like how to, like, I don't know, cut a piece of wood or something, or like slice your food. Like, it's just like basics. You don't have to know how to like pattern and make a corset or like a brassiere, you know, don't get me wrong. But I think just like the bare minimum, because what if you can't get yourself to a tailor? What if it's like the tiniest job of like, oh damn, this like hole in my crotch in my pants? If you know how to do that, I think it's like a basic survival skill that I think you can take with you. We should go to the tailor if we want to like change a suit. This is my working studio / closet. Yeah. I think I keep everything hidden because it's a mess. As you can see, there's a shit ton of makeup. I, do beauty content. I hide everything in here.
Well, you're pretty organized to me.
Oh, I mean, there's more. I love organizing. Brings me joy. I love when things have their place. And everything is just organized. I love it. I love it so much. Yeah.
Show me your favorite 5 fashion pieces you can't live without.
Favorite 5 fashion pieces. This is hard. Okay. Oh my god. Ignore the mess. It's so messy in here. Okay. This is not something that I wear often or really at all. And I know it looks kind of like a stupid like Chinatown shirt, but this belonged to my dad in the 90s. And when we first immigrated to the States, we actually moved to New York. And this is in all the pictures. I think he had like one shirt when we moved to New York, and this was the shirt.
This was the shirt.
This was the shirt. It's like,
that's crazy.
You see, it's like the Empire State with like stupid planets. I'm obsessed with it because it's in all those pictures, and I just think it's like the sickest, dumbest shirt. And like, I'm not like, oh my god, that's like the cuntiest shirt of all time. It's like, designer. I just think that it has like a lot of sentimental value.
Yeah. It's a meaning behind it. It's not just about the shirt. The clothes that means a lot to us. We actually don't wear it often.
Yeah, because I never want to, like, ruin it. I mean, honestly, I think he kind of slayed in this. He was kind of cunty.
How tall is your dad?
5'3".
5'3", okay.
Short king.
Short king.
Exactly.
We all short kings. Shout out to us, the
Me
short
too.
kings
Short
and the
king.
short queens.
Exactly. Short baddies. Okay, I have this skirt. And this is, I think this is, it's comb. Big ol' son.
Big comb.
But I literally...
CDG.
CDG,
Stop playing with her. CDG on her.
This is literally one of my favorite skirts of all time. I love plaid. I love anything tartan. And so this, I think, I don't even know what like season it's from, but I got it off of like Japanese eBay. And they actually, the people who sell it, they're called Kagami Rock. If you're ever in Tokyo, Kagami Rock. But this is just like the sickest skirt of all time.
This jacket collection? All these jackets are 10 out of 10s, but go ahead.
I'm a jacket hoe. Okay, I'm a slut for jackets.
Shit.
So I'll say this. You know what? It is a tie. Is it cheating if I show you guys two of them? It's a tie.
It's a tie?
Between these two. What did I tell you? I love plaid. But this is like a purple. I think this is also... Oh, this is Junya.
Junya Watanabe? Okay.
Yeah, that's right. So that's...
Wait, so did you tailor this or it came in...
No, it was this size. When I found it.
For real?
When I found it at the thrift store.
Wow.
Well, secondhand shop. Also in Japan. But this is obviously my favorite jacket, I think, of all time. Okay, you're right. So it wasn't even a tie. It's this jacket. And it's from Rave Review. And they take they take dead stock materials, like dead stock vintage materials, and they like, I guess, upcycle them and make these like sick ass one of one pieces.
Everyone was asking, where did you get this piece from? Like,
Sold out.
everyone.
And it's a thick jacket. I feel like clothes nowadays, even if they look really cute, the quality has just gone down, you know?
100%.
Like 1980s jackets, still amazing. Should I show a controversial piece?
Yeah, of course.
I brought this out and my mom saw it when she was visiting and she's like, what the hell is that? And I was like, I don't know, it's just a shirt with Mao. Like, and he's doing like silly, goofy things. She's like, don't you ever wear that out. Like, ever.
So you never wore it out?
Well, she scared me. She scared me. I did wear it out once. And then a man complimented me and I was like, well, I can never wear it out again. So I was like, don't talk to me, sir. He's like, hey, I love your shirt.
What was it, an older guy?
Some just like dude. And he was like, hey, love your shirt. I was like, no, you don't. I'm never wearing this out ever again. This one is a Vivienne Westwood jacket. And it's just a denim jacket with this really cool, like, white flower pattern. And this red stitching and the classic Vivienne buttons. I found this at a thrift shop in Brooklyn. And I just think it's so awesome. I actually did Google how much this cost. And people are selling this for, like, upwards of 1,000, 500. I'm like, you guys are
wow,
crazy.
So that's a W.
Cuckoo
How much did
bananas.
you buy it for?
$300 US.
300, okay.
Which I thought was kind of a deal.
It's a W. It's a W.
For Vivienne?
Yeah,
I don't think
for Vivienne
so.
Westwood, of course.
Watch that not be like a rare
So
piece at all.
you like Vivienne Westwood?
I love Vivienne Westwood.
Okay.
Yeah, she's incredible. Ah! Typically, I have a stool right here, but you know what? I have to go with this because it's just such an awesome skirt. My Chipova skirt. I feel like every girlie has a Chipova skirt, right?
Nah, this is fire.
But I got this secondhand. I got this off of the Real. So I had my notifications on. I wanted one of these freaking carabiner skirts, and I got it.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you, you know how to shop.
Do I?
You know how to shop. I'm looking like from right here. Okay, I see that you love plaid.
I do.
You know?
I love anything plaid. I love, like I said, tartan is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Tartan is awesome. You know, it's just such a good way to incorporate color. It's like a color and pattern all in one.
Of course.
That's why I like it.
And then you know how to not overdo it too, because you know certain plaids could clash like together.
Oh, I like clashing.
You like clashing?
I love clashing. I love when something doesn't make sense because I was raised, you know, in an immigrant household.
Okay.
And so my mom, she's like ultimate Chinese auntie, the way she dresses. So everything clashes. Not a thing makes sense. It's like polka dots plus, I don't know, plaid plus who knows what. And I think that's actually stylish as hell.